Index Universal Life Insurance, or IUL for short. A valuable wealth creation tool for high net worth individuals. But what is it, and how should it be used? In this video, I'm going to break down something that typically wealthy individuals are using more and more as a powerful wealth building and protection tool. Index Universal Life Insurance, or IUL for short. Now, you may think of life insurance just as a benefit for your loved ones, but an IUL is a little bit different. It's a flexible strategic tool that can provide growth, protect against market downturns, provide extra wealth for your family, whilst also benefiting you during your lifetime, as it has an accessible cash value that can be used to generate income, or even as collateral for a low interest rate loan, for example. So, what exactly is an indexed universal life insurance policy? Well, an IUL combines the protective features of life insurance with the growth potential of investing, using a stock market index like the S&P 500 as a benchmark. With an IUL, you have a cash account linked to market returns. Some of the policy premium is used to buy life cover. The rest of the premium captures upside potential of the stock market of your choice. You don't actually invest directly in the market, but your policy's cash value is linked to the performance of the index. Think of it as getting the best of both worlds. You're in a position to capture market growth, but you also have built-in protection if the market dips. For example, let's say the S&P 500 takes a big hit during a recession. But with an IUL, your investment has a floor of 0%, protecting you from those losses. Then as the market rises, you capture those gains up to the annual limit, which typically sits around 9 to 10%. It's essentially a safeguard, letting you sleep better at night, knowing your money isn't exposed to market volatility. Take the financial crisis of 2008. The S&P 500 lost about 38.5% that year. Now, if you were directly invested in the market, you would have needed a 62.6% gain just to get back to where you started. A recovery that took several years for the index. However, with an IUL 0% floor, your cash value would have stayed level throughout the downturn, meaning you wouldn't need to catch up or rely on unusually high gains to regain your previous position. Now, for those getting close to retirement, an IUL offers crucial protection against what's known as sequential returns risk. Simply put, sequential returns risk is the risk of experiencing poor returns right before or in the early years of retirement when you're starting to rely on your savings for income. A major market loss just as you start withdrawing funds can mean you run out of income before you die. But with an IUL, because of that 0% floor, your cash value isn't at risk if the market declines, and this means your retirement plans aren't thrown off track. But remember, an IUL is still at its core a life insurance policy, which means it includes a wealth creation benefit. Imagine accumulating wealth throughout your life and passing down a substantial amount to your family, all whilst potentially keeping it income tax free. That's a powerful tool for legacy building. So an IUL doesn't just grow wealth for you, but it can be a vital part of your generational wealth strategy, giving your family financial security after you've gone. Another great feature is the flexibility an IUL offers to generate income when you need it. As your cash value grows, you can start accessing it in a way that provides steady income. Now, many high net worth individuals tap into this cash value for supplemental retirement income or to fund a new business venture. Now, let's talk about liquidity. An IUL can facilitate loans as a method of making withdrawals secured against the cash value in your policy. And unlike traditional loans, you don't need to go through a bank or affect your credit score. Plus, loans taken out against the policy can be tax-free, and the interest rates are usually lower than traditional lending facilities. So to recap, Index Universal Life Insurance can provide protection against market downturns, shield your investments from sequential returns risk, create wealth for future generations, and give you flexibility for income and loans. For high net worth individuals looking for a blend of protection, growth, and legacy building potential, an IUL is definitely worth exploring. If this sounds like something that could help you reach your financial goals, please get in touch for some bespoke advice to see if an IUL is right for you. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay smart and strategic with your finances. And I'll see you in the next video.